Okay folks, today I want to show you around this vintage Ford 9-inch rear end nodular center section, or also known as a third member. This just came from an estate sale, so I don't know a whole lot about it. I just know that it was under a workbench and carefully covered up, and the person obviously cared about it, but that's all I know. You can see it's a factory nodular unit. You can see the N here. 4G11 it looks like. Then the bearing support here is a D2SW-C 4M4, and everything looks intact on this. It has a Richmond gear set. Looks like the part number is 807457-1. The ring gear has 34 teeth, and the pinion has 7 teeth, which shows it's like 486 ratio to 1, I believe. Anyway, again, this video is just to show you around this unit. The only thing I see that's kind of funky, if I can get my light to stay, maybe I'll just stick it to it with the magnet, there we go, is this little ring here is loose. So I think this just holds the seal in place or something, but it's loose, and there's like a little nick right here. So I don't think that's anything catastrophic, but definitely I wanted to mention it. It seems to spin just as it should. There's no funky, well, it's the ring gear's rubbing on the deal there, but you can see real nice, no excessive play. Just seems just as it should be. The carrier 4M16 there. It's a D00W, D0OWB. And then our differential is C6AW4205B. I believe it's some sort of locker, possibly a track lock or a Detroit locker. I don't know enough about these to know, but hopefully someone will know. Looks really clean inside and out, as I said. It looks like this particular gear set, it was like $600 or 500 and something bucks for this Richmond gear set, so I imagine it's some sort of high impact something or another. But real nice, no pitting or anything funky. I'm selling this as a core for rebuilding just because I don't know the history, but a lot of guys would just bolt this in the way it is. Yeah, a real nice factory nodular center section for a Ford 9-inch. I'll try to get a count of the spline here before I list it, but I'll also put a picture in the listing so you can count for yourself if I can't figure it out, but I'm sure I can. Anyway guys, if you've been looking for a nodular center section for your Ford 9-inch, this could very well be it. Don't miss it.